4, 3, 2, 1.
BL. Sated. CD pa yung BL, gago. Pagka up na lang, BL na lang.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Mili trap.
2 minutes pa, 2 minutes.
Oo nga eh.
Second phase na lang.
Bagong UI ko.
4,
Play
2,
gaming.
1.
T-trap. Pointed play.
Terminated.
May trap pa, may trap.
Careful trap.
4, 3, 2, 1. Watch your
Mili-trap.
step. Investing.
The Gulager.
Japanese.
4, 3,
Play coming.
2, 1.
Pre-trap. Nikis, dispel yourself.
Investing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch your step.
Melee trap.
Careful, don't clip ah.
Don't clip.
Play coming.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ninigas yung
Watch your step.
finger ko, sir. My God, lamig.
Melee trap yan, melee trap.
Necrotic hernia.
Pointed.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Range trap. Adjust na lang melee.
Well, the Gulager.
Pointed.
Investing.
Eh.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pre-trap.
TOT, ano ba o MD una?
MD sir, MD una. Spell?
Tingnan mo tong hunter na to, oh.
Ano, him, please. Him.
Target you.
Cloak.
Target you. I saw moved away.
Oh,
Uy,
Oh,
na-MD ako nun ah.
BUS.
Ano? Hindi mo daw.
I saw facing the
Ay,
May sphere,
na-MD
may
ako
sphere.
eh. God, ugo.
Gitna na, gitna na.
Investing.
3, 2, 1.
Ay ko. Grab.
Stun.
I'm
First
at
one first.
Yeah.
Hold
Kaya
that.
volley rat things.
The first.
4, 3, stop attacking. 1. Only 2.
BL na tayo.
Ready na ba yung ano BN?
Yeah.
Uy,
Investing.
AFK.
Kaya pala yung damage mo ganyan eh. Oh my god.
Third. 4, 3,
Defend.
40%.
Arsham grab ba? Arsham grab.
Investing.
Dikit lang. Dikit.
Stop attacking.
Teacher Ardent Proc Nikis.
No, not yet.
Defile muna ata.
Defile.
Third. Slowly perform.
3,
Investing. 2,
1.
1.
Hello, Defile.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna use it.
Investing.
I have hammer.
Slowly proceeding.
Should be fine now.
Ready.
Last set.
4,
3,
3,
Defile.
2,
1.
1.
Hello, Defile?
Nag-change spec ako eh. Hindi ko tuloy alam yung UI ko. Go. Swapang.
Investing.
Mabato ako ng Jiboom. Jow. My God, is Jow.
Hindi ko na book mo ko.
Jibok
Kaya,
na.
nalagyan na kita, sir.
Jibok na lang.
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Investing.
Hello,
Take out ka
Defile?
ba?
Oh my god.
Parang ano lang to. Ano barak na ay...
Attacking.
Pwede pa innervate.
Slowly
Innervate the
proceeding.
shaman.
Jibok ako daw. Hunter. Jibok.
Okay, thank you.
Red.
Defile
4,
in
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
Jow. Jibok. My God.
Isa yung Jibok eh.
Hunter.
Okay, Jibok.
Hunter ko ako namatay.
Okay, Jibok kita. Gamit ako.
Help dispel daw, help dispel.
Sir Joe, pwede pa help dispel?
Oo.
Sige, ako na pala. Para more cost damage pala. Oh shit! Kaharap sa amin. Hilap sila.
Ilang divine. Okay, sarap guys. Okay, sarap.
Hey. Pointed. Taunt. Halo HP mo na rating.
Stream.
Yung 49% to.
My God, this Togman. Low.
Okay, kaya mo na to sa loob ko, Dance.
Oh my God!
Moving.
Not yet ito clock na. Later. Laro pa pala ako basketball. Let's go!
Hagawal lang. Tayo.
Should I use D-Sec after this?
No.
Red. 1.
Hello,
Slowly
Defile?
proceeding.
Yay.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Dead.
Si Lich King,
You're
si Lich King.
dead.
Why are you crossing Lich King? Bring him all the way to the end. Teleporter.
Teleportal.
Red.
Defile in 3,
3,
File.
Stuck ako sa idol ko.
1.
Slowly
Ikot.
proceeding.
Hello, Defile?
Level.
Oh my God, defiant.
Tapakan ko kayo, Dance, para matamaan ka din.
Oy, alis ka. Wag
Cross,
po!
cross. Go to
Cross.
Lich King. Oh god.
Innervate again na. Pwede na.
United kita on Nitro Boots paglabas.
Rejuvenation for everybody.
Dito tayo.
Should I deseg after this one?
Yung pet ko, parang kinetic lang. Oh.
Yes, you're gonna need this when you soak the spirits. Defile.
Right, 1,
Hello,
40%.
Determined.
Soak, Nikki, soak. Oh, dali. Sagarin mo yan hanggang sa edge. Sa
Right,
likod kayo ni Lich.
Defile in 3,
3,
Defile.
2,
2,
1.
1.
Hello, Defile.
Nana.
Only
Only
proceed.
Defile.
I can't soak them. I'm gonna die.
I help.
Oh. You're not gonna die, sir.
Pointed 1%.
Kaya nagabulbul ang life eh.
God.
Isang pitik na lang eh.
Nikis, you should use your salvation to soak.
Yeah,
Nice Starfall. Sana all nag-Starfall inside.
Di ba nagagalit?
Napagalitan ni Jackin, sir. Parang tropa eh.
Ganyan po yan. Nerbon.
This is your first and last warning.
DI na lang, sir. Sa gate.
Parang kanina lang, sir, sinabi yan. Kami kapon.
Ulit eh.
Ano?
Okay, gusto na to.
Ayun, last.
So strict naman yung RL, sir.
Don't need to eat all of it all at once. Oh
Kill
my
it,
god.
kill it.
Tinay-
Naprom na ka do.
more.
Nice,
Why
nice typhoon, sir. Nice typhoon.
Right,
Kill it. Stop now.
2,
Stop.
1.
40%.
12% na.
Hello,
1.
Defile.
Mind searing.
Well, I have defile.
Okay, it's stepping on the file now. Stepping.
Stepping on the file.
Guys, don't.
The file now.
Guys! That was What the fuck? What the fuck, Sardines?
Natural si Gex.
Ayaw ko na ulit.
Ay,
Gago, kitang-kita kami ni...
Ilungay ako ng shield wall kanina. 1%.
That was so
Sige,
close.
tamakabot sa heal eh. Ang tagal ko 1% tuloy.
Ay, nahabol ako ng spirit eh.
Isang hipa na
Napasuot ako ng shield eh.
Gabol mo ng buhay.
napa-shield wall si pare.
May defile din. Pumunta sa spirit.
Ginaya ko lang yung
God.
ano, move ni
Ayaw ko
Rio
nakasama
kanina.
tong tuhugman na to. My God. This tuhugman, sir.
But influence to si Rio, sabi niya, Rio Bulbud yun. D-file, step on D-file.
5.4 on Bane. What the fuck? With Chuchu. Okay, banning this rogue, sir. Lagyan natin sa ano to. Asan ba yun?
This is your first and last warning to Hugman.
Watch list. Lagyan natin sa watch list yan.
This is your first and last Bane.
Lagay natin sa watch list.
Oh, congrats Nikis. You did it.
You're tanking still scuff me, but it's alright. You shouldn't run out of
Ayan.
seeds with soaking and everything.
Parang hindi ako i-rush ng LK ah.
Let's go, LOD.
Nasa watch list ka na, idol. Sa watchlist ka na, idol.
Tugman. Tugman. Nice TOT.
Eh, wala pang MD. Hinahanap ko yung MD yung... Bagong UI kasi hindi ko mahanap yung MD ko, gag. Namatay tuloy si Japan.
Ay, lagay ko pala dito. TOT on Pretpal. Tapa.
Yung ano, yung isang beses na humarap yung raging kahit may TOT. Nagmi-miss ako.
Kanina gago, hindi niyo nakita, binubugbog si Kuya Dens ng raging.
Yung pagkatayo pala papunta sa kanya.
Ayun
Tangina
po
mo.
anong TOT ko.
Kala
Ang
ko
kapal ni,
nag-paint lang siya.
ang kapal ni Kuya Dens, gago, maapak sa remorseless.
Uy, wala, uy. Hindi ako maapak. May
Ay,
hook
diba?
eye ako. Nag-change ako ng hook eye spec eh. Kaya,
Ay, sorry. Sorry again.
Sa iwan si LK.
kaya nabago yun eh. Walang MD, walang trunk. Hinahanap ko sa spellbook eh. Nice TI, sir. Nice TI.
No DI. Ures.
No, di ayures.
Uy, may
nag-home.
HOP. Wala, sir. My God.
Iya, nagpanghap eh.
Uy,
Nice.
turog pin sa